Hey guys, another quick video I thought maybe would help. This is throat spray. I'm not selling nothing. I thought, this is something I use every day. So the mixture that I mix together, and fantastic for pathogenic bacteria, virus, fungus, and very easy to use. These things you can get at the dollar store, I believe. Probably a 3-pack for $1.25 nowadays, whatever. And it's really easy to make. The products here, I have clove, I have iodine, I have grapeseed extract, grapefruit seed extract, and stevia. These four I've been using for years. I use other things too. Peroxide alone is fantastic for a throat spray and for laryngitis and all kinds of good things. Virus, obviously. In the nasopharynx area, that's where all the virus starts when you talk about colds and flus, generally speaking. And this is something that can really nip it in the bud. So every morning when I come out of the pool, this morning was 35 degrees out. I went out in the pool, sat in there for about 6-8 minutes, and I came in and I'll spray my mouth and throat with that. And I will also put 50-50 peroxide and water in my ears, spray it in my ears, a little bit in my ears, and then dump it out, and good to go. I've been doing that for many, many months. So this is something that is really easy to use, and it tastes good too. I mean, it's just like a, almost like a breath mint, but it's got a very great, very nice clove and stevia flavor to it. So it's super simple to make, and you got to kind of adjust it to your taste. For me, you don't want to use much more than, this is 100% clove oil. You can get all this stuff at Brewbakers for those that are local, but this is very easy to use. But for me, 3 drops of clove oil is pretty much all you need. But again, you can add to it. This is a very concentrated grapefruit seed extract. Now, for those who've had yeast infections and fungal disease and different warts and different things like that, you know how powerful this stuff is, and it's very safe. But of course, it comes from grapefruit seeds, which is highly antifungal, and this is like I said, a concentrated dose. That one I'll put 3 drops in. And the iodine I put 10 drops in. That's incredibly safe. Been used for 200 plus years. I put 10 to 15 drops there. I just put 11. And then, did I put that in there already? And then I'll put probably 5 drops of stevia. And you can always add to it. And if you get too much in there, then you just dump a little out and add a little bit of water and kind of tone it down a bit. And then I just got my reverse osmosis here. Shake it up a little bit. We'll see how this batch. I usually try to do it the same way. I don't write it down, and it works phenomenal. You get a sore throat, there ain't much, or even a sore tooth. Clove, as we all know, works phenomenal for that. And it tastes very good. Perfect. So that's it. You guys want to give that a whirl? Try it. It's very easy to do. Once you got this little investment here, oh man, you can probably make, I don't know, 100 bottles out of what you get here. And it's great. It's safe. I use it for a little girl, and Macy will use it once in a while, but she doesn't really care for that so much, doesn't like the clove as much. But for me, again, it's been terrific. I haven't had a sore throat in a very long time. So give it a thought and give it a whirl. See ya.